Hello, and welcome.
Yes, welcome to you, the listener.
Thank you for joining us for this deep dive. Today, we have a great topic.
We really do. We are going to look at daily life and habits.
Daily life and habits. But first, I want to say something important to you.
Right, our special plan for today.
Exactly. We will speak very slowly today.
Yes, very, very slowly.
And we will use easy words.
Simple, easy words.
This is to help you, the listener, understand everything.
We want you to learn and, feel comfortable.
So, let us start. Our deep dive today is about a simple story.
A very simple story from our source text.
It is about two people, a man named Alex and a woman named Sarah.
Right, Alex and Sarah.
And we are looking at what they do in the morning.
In our morning time.
But why do we talk about mornings?
That is a good question. Why the morning?
Well, because every day starts with a morning.
It does. Every single day.
Is the beginning of your day. It is the start.
The very start. And, how you start is important.
Exactly. So let us look at the very first thing people do. The first thing when the day begins.
Opening your eyes.
Yes, opening your eyes. Let us talk about the exact times Alex and Sarah open their eyes.
Right. The time on the clock.
So Sarah wakes up at 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock in the morning. 7:00.
That is early.
Yes. I mean, that is very early.
But Alex is different. Alex wakes up at 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock. 8:00.
He likes to sleep more.
Right. He loves to sleep.
So we just use a very important word. Well, two words. Wake up.
Ah, yes. Wake up. Let us explain that.
Please do. What does it mean to wake up?
To wake up means to stop sleeping.
To stop sleeping.
Exactly. It means to open your eyes, you're sleeping, and then you wake up, you open your eyes.
Right. So they wake up, and then what is next?
Well, the body needs something.
Yes. The first thing. What goes into their bodies first?
For Sarah, it is water.
Just water.
Yes, but it is cold water.
Cold water. Why cold water?
Because cold water helps her feel awake.
Oh, I see. It makes her feel awake. Not tired.
Right. Not tired.
Awake. But Alex, he does not drink water first.
No, he does not. He loves coffee.
Coffee. Hot coffee.
Yes. He drinks coffee in the morning. And, coffee is very popular.
Very popular. Many, many people drink coffee.
Millions of people.
But, wait, let me ask you this.
Sure. Go ahead.
Sarah drinks cold water.
Yeah.
Alex drinks hot coffee.
Right. Water and coffee.
They are very different. Is one better? Is water better? Is coffee better?
Well, the source text shows us something interesting. It shows both ways are okay.
Really? Both are okay?
Yes, both are fine. The important part is finding what makes you feel awake.
What makes you feel awake?
Exactly. For Sarah, cold water works. For Alex, hot coffee works.
That makes sense. Okay, so after waking up and drinking, the body needs food.
Oh, yes. The body is hungry.
It is time for breakfast. Food in the morning.
So what do they eat?
Well, let's look at Alex first. Alex eats bread and eggs.
Bread and eggs.
Yes, it is simple, but it is good.
Very simple. Very good food.
But Sarah does not eat bread and eggs.
No, she eats something else.
She eats fruit.
Fruit. She likes bananas.
Bananas, yes. And she likes apples.
Apples and bananas. That is very healthy.
Oh, healthy. That is a great word for us to talk about today. Healthy.
Let us explain it. Healthy.
What does healthy mean?
Healthy means it is good for your body.
Good for your body.
Right. Fruit is healthy. It helps your body be strong and, feel good.
I like to think about food like a car.
A car. How do you mean?
Well, food is like fuel for a car. A car needs gas or fuel to drive.
Oh, right. Yes.
Bread and eggs, they give strong fuel.
Strong fuel because they are big foods.
Exactly. And fruit, well, fruit gives sweet, healthy fuel.
Sweet, healthy fuel. That is a nice way to say it.
So Alex eats simple food.
Mm-hmm.
Sarah eats healthy food. Are both of these good habits?
Yes, both are very good habits.
Wait, habit? We need to explain that word too.
Habit, yes. A very important word. Habit.
What is a habit?
A habit is something you do regularly.
Regularly, you mean like every day?
Yes. Every day or almost every day, something you repeat.
So eating breakfast is a good habit.
Exactly. Eating breakfast is a very good habit.
Okay, so food gives the body energy.
Lots of energy.
What do Alex and Sarah do with their energy?
Well, they move. They move their bodies.
They move. That brings us to our next big word, exercise.
Exercise.
Yes. Can you explain the word exercise?
Of course. Exercise is a physical activity.
Physical activity, moving around.
Right, moving around. And it keeps your body healthy.
There is that word again. Healthy. Good for your body.
Yes. Exercise is very healthy.
So let us talk about when they exercise. When do they move?
Well, Sarah exercises in the morning.
In the morning, right after her breakfast.
Yes.
She walks.
She walks. For how long?
She walks for 30 minutes. 30 minutes.
That is a nice walk. Where does she go?
She walks near her house.
Is it a good walk?
The story says it is nice, and it is quiet. Nice and quiet. That sounds lovely.
It is a good habit.
But what about Alex?
Alex does not walk in the morning.
He does not.
No, he does not exercise in the morning at all.
Oh. When does he exercise?
He exercises in the evening.
The evening.
Yes.
At the end of the day.
Yes. He goes to a place called the gym.
The gym. A place with heavy things to lift.
Exactly. And he goes 3 times a week.
3 times a week. Okay, wait. I have a question about this.
Okay. What is your question?
Sarah exercises every morning. Alex exercises 3 times a week in the evening.
Right. Morning for Sarah, evening for Alex.
They're not the same. They're very different.
Yes, they are not the same. But that is okay.
It is okay.
Yes. The source says both are good habits.
Both are good, even if the time is different.
Exactly. Time does not matter. The habit is what matters.
Doing the exercise is the important part.
Yes. Moving the body is the important part, not the time.
Wow. Okay. So after food and exercise, the morning is almost over.
It is going fast.
It is. Now it is time to look at screens and prepare for work.
Yes. Phones and work.
So what happens after breakfast?
Well, Alex looks at his phone.
His phone. What does he do on his phone?
He checks messages.
Messages from friends.
Right. He checks the news.
To see what is happening in the world.
Yes. And he checks his email.
Wow. That is a lot of checking.
It is. And, he thinks he spends too much time on his phone.
Too much time. That is not a good feeling.
No, it is not. But Sarah understands.
Sarah understands. Does she do it too?
Yes. She does the exact same thing sometimes.
Oh, wow. So they both look at their phones too much.
Many people do. It is a common thing.
It is. But eventually they have to stop. They have to put the phone down.
Right. Because they have to get ready for work.
Get ready. That is another phrase we need to talk about.
Yes. Get ready.
What does it mean to get ready?
To get ready means to prepare yourself for the day.
To prepare yourself. How do they do that?
Well, they take a shower.
A shower. To get clean.
Yes. And they brush their teeth.
Brush. Let me spell that out. It means to clean your teeth with a toothbrush.
Exactly. Clean teeth with a toothbrush.
And then what?
Then they get dressed. They put on their clothes for work.
Shower, brush teeth, get dressed.
Yes. That is how you get ready.
So they do this every day. The same things Every single day.
Every single day. And that brings us to the big word of the day.
The biggest word today, routine.
Routine. Let us say it very slowly. Routine.
Routine. What is a routine?
A routine means the things you do every day.
Every day.
Yes. In the exact same order.
The exact same order. First this, then that, then this.
Exactly. Drink water, eat fruit, walk, shower. That is a routine.
I have another way to think about it.
Right.
A routine is like a map.
A map, like for driving.
Yes. A map shows you where to go.
Right. It gives you direction.
A morning routine shows you how to start your day.
It shows you how to start your day. That is perfect.
It is a map for your morning.
Yes, a very good map.
So, we have talked about a lot today. Let us review. Let us summarize the steps.
Yes. There are 5 simple steps from our deep dive today.
Step 1.
Wake up.
Wake up. Open your eyes.
Step 2.
Drink something. Drink cold water or hot coffee. Step 3.
Eat breakfast.
Eat good food, bread and eggs, or healthy fruit. Step 4.
Exercise. Move the body.
In the morning or in the evening. And step 5.
Get ready.
Get ready for the day. Shower, brush teeth, get dressed.
Those are the 5 simple steps.
And what is the big lesson here?
The core message from the text is this: good habits make a good day.
Good habits make a good day.
Yes. Remember, a habit is something you do regularly. Good habits give you a good day.
I really love that.
Yeah.
But now we want to talk to you.
Yes, you, the listener.
We want to ask you the 4 questions from our source text.
4 questions about your daily life.
I will ask them very slowly. Please think about your answers.
Take your time.
Question 1, what time do you wake up? Question 2, do you drink coffee or tea in the morning?
Question 3, do you exercise when you're evening in? Morning or evening? And question 4, what do you eat for breakfast? Those are very good questions to ask yourself.
Yes, they help you see your own routine, your own map.
Exactly. And we want to leave you with one final thought.
A thought to think about today.
Just a simple thought. Think about your morning routine tomorrow.
Your routine tomorrow morning.
If you change one small step in your morning routine tomorrow, will it change your whole day?
One small step. Will it change everything?
It is interesting to think about.
It really is.
Well, thank you for listening to our deep dive.
Yes, thank you for learning with us today.
Have a very good day and a very good morning tomorrow. Goodbye.